Waziri wa Usalama wa Ndani Profesa Kithure Kindiki amesema kuwa wanasiasa wakuu na baadhi ya wakuu wa usalama wanafadhili na kuongoza shughuli za ujambazi nchini, ambapo ameongeza akisema kuwa watachukuliwa hatua wote wahusika.
We have made significant progress in tracking and nailing the masterminds of banditry. I can confidently assure the people of Kenya, we have in our radar a number of politicians of different cadres whose activities have been linked to the support, funding, and encouragement of banditry. We have crucial evidence, some of which was collected at the scene of crime at the attack in Kainuk early in the year, which incriminates political leaders and other people. I want to assure the House that very soon we will have high-profile arraignment of the command of bandits, whether they are civilian commanders, politicians, etc. And we want to build a case that will succeed in court.